to enhance the beauty of the kitchen with an inner cutlery set. And here also is a cabinet, which we provided a mini light here in the place, but if you are not aware of it, you will think it's just a cabinet. The way we hide it properly is the same as the cabinet. Okay, we are here again in our previous work at Awudome. We revisited the place and we were amazed at how the kitchen was uh, transferred into another level. As you can see, all these cabinets are done by Style Ghana. But what amazes us is that the owner decided to do the wall with claddings, okay, stone claddings that enhance the beauty of the kitchen. And mostly we installed a sensor light so that the moment anybody can come inside without even owning the lights will be prepared. Okay, on this segment, as you can see, we put a nice artificial grass or plants with some white stones mixed. It's mixed just to have a green scenery in this kitchen. And here, as you can see, you think it's just a structure of wooden, but there is hidden there that you can use to hang chopping board or napkins or whatever you wanted to hang and hide on it. And this portion is a handless kitchen with an inner cutlery set. Here. And here also is a cabinet, which we provided a mini light so that you can see whatever you wanted to take here. So the moment you close it, the light goes on. And here is the microwave. Under the microwave is a push open cabinet that you can install or store things that like noodles or whatever cup noodles that is easy for the microwave to cook. Also installed a mini light for each cabinet for proper viewing. Here in the place, but if you are not aware of it, you will think it's just a cabinet. The way we hide it properly is the same as the cabinet. And here is a cabinet also. And here is the sink area. We leave the space because we wanted the owner to have its preference on what they wanted to do at the down cabinet. This is a tall cabinet with a push open and shelves on it that you can store foodstuffs also. And here is the cover for the cooker food. You will think it's also a cabinet, but it's just a cover for the cooker food. And here we install aluminum glass so that we fix also an inbuilt light inside. The moment the owner wants to take something at the top, she or he can easily see. This is also a top cabinet with glass shelves. And here we use a textured worktop. Why? Because as you can see, all the doors that we use for our cabinets are matte. So we use this textured worktop because to enhance the beauty of the kitchen, that it will not look dull. Because if you use matte and just simple worktop, you will not see the beauty of your kitchen. So if there's any work that you want to fix in your house or renovate your house, just call Style Ghana at 0208 441 852. We have also our Instagram and Facebook page.